Studying English.
What made you decide to study English?
I realized it would help my career.
How often do you practice English?
I practice for at least 30 minutes daily.
Where do you usually study?
I study at the library near my house.
Do you use textbooks or apps?
I use both, but I prefer apps for vocabulary.
Which app do you like the most?
I like Duolingo because it's fun.
Have you tried watching movies in English?
Yes, I watch them with subtitles.
Do you find subtitles helpful?
They help me connect words to meanings.
What kind of movies do you prefer?
I prefer comedies because they are easy to understand.
Do you read English books?
I read short stories online.
Which author do you enjoy?
I enjoy Roald Dahl's children's books.
Do you keep a vocabulary notebook?
Yes, I write new words each day.
How do you review the words?
I quiz myself with flashcards.
Do you speak English with friends?
Occasionally I chat with a language partner.
How did you find a partner?
I joined an online exchange group.
Do you feel nervous at first?
A little, but I relax after a few minutes.
What do you do to improve pronunciation?
I repeat sentences from podcasts.
Which podcast do you like?
I like BBC Learning English.
Do you practice listening every day?
Yes, I listen to short audio clips.
How long are the clips?
They are about 2 minutes long.
Do you take notes while listening?
I jot down new expressions.
How do you learn new grammar?
I read a short explanation and do exercises.
Which grammar point is hardest for you?
The past perfect confuses me.
How do you practice the past perfect?
I write sentences about things that had happened before another event.
Do you check your writing with a tool?
I use Grammarly for quick feedback.
Does Grammarly correct all mistakes?
No, I still need a teacher's advice.
Are you taking any English classes?
I attend a weekly online course.
What time is the class?
It starts at 7:30 on Tuesdays.
Do you do homework after the class?
Yes, I review the notes and complete exercises.
How long does the homework usually take?
About 20 minutes each session.
Do you feel progress after each lesson?
Yes, I notice I understand more.
What is your next learning goal?
I want to pass the B2 exam.
When will you take the exam?
I plan to sit it in October.
How are you preparing for the exam?
I do practice tests every weekend.
Do you find practice tests useful?
Very useful, they show my weak areas.
Which skill needs the most work?
Listening, because I miss fast speech.
How do you improve listening speed?
I gradually increase the playback rate.
Do you use subtitles when you speed up?
No, I turn them off to train my ear.
What other resources do you use?
I read articles on BBC Learning.
Do you write summaries of the articles?
Yes, it helps me remember the main ideas.
How long does it take to write a summary?
About 10 minutes per article.
Do you ever speak with a native speaker?
Occasionally, I join a language exchange Zoom call.
How long are those Zoom sessions?
They last about an hour.
Do you prepare topics before the call?
Yes, I choose a simple theme like travel.
What do you talk about during the session?
We discuss daily routines and ask each other questions.
Do you feel more confident after speaking?
Definitely, my fluency improves.
Do you keep a weekly English goal?
Yes, I aim to learn 10 new words each day.
How do you choose the 10 words?
I pick them from the articles I read.
Do you review the words later in the week?
Yes, I test myself on Friday.
What method do you use for the test?
I cover the meanings and try to recall the word.
Do you feel confident with your vocabulary?
Mostly, but I still forget some.
How do you handle forgotten words?
I write them again and repeat them later.
Do you use any online dictionaries?
Yes, I often use Cambridge Dictionary online.
What feature do you like most?
The audio pronunciation for each entry.
Do you practice speaking with a recorder?
Yes, I record and listen to my own voice.
What do you notice when you listen back?
I hear mispronounced words and pause too often.
How do you improve those issues?
I repeat the problematic parts slowly.
Do you set a weekly review session?
Yes, every Sunday I summarize the week's learning.
What do you include in the summary?
New vocab, grammar points, and speaking topics.
Does this help you remember better?
Absolutely, the review solidifies my memory.
Do you ever feel demotivated?
Occasionally, when progress feels slow.
How do you overcome demotivation?
I set a small reward for finishing a task.
What kind of reward works for you?
A short break to watch a funny video.
Do you track the time you spend studying?
Yes, I use the timer on my phone.
How many hours a week do you study?
Around 12 hours in total.
Is that enough for your goal?
It's a good start. I will add more later.
Do you use flashcards on your phone?
Yes, I use Anki for spaced repetition.
How many cards do you review each day?
About 50 new and old cards.
Do you ever feel overwhelmed by the amount?
Sometimes, so I limit the new cards to 20.
What other methods do you combine with flashcards?
I also read articles and note down phrases.
Do you practice speaking after learning a new phrase?
Yes, I try to use it in a sentence.
Can you give an example?
I enjoy reading books in my free time.
Do you think this helps retention?
Absolutely, using it makes the text more vivid.
Do you also practice reading aloud?
Yes, it helps with intonation and rhythm.
Which text do you read aloud most often?
I read short news articles.
Does reading news improve your vocabulary?
Absolutely, it introduces current expressions.
Do you write summaries of news articles?
Yes, I write a brief summary each day.
How does summarizing help you?
It forces me to pick the main points.
Do you check your summaries for errors?
I compare them with the original article.
Have you noticed any improvement in reading speed?
Yes, I can finish articles faster now.
Do you also practice writing emails in English?
Yes, I write professional emails to my contacts.
What structure do you follow for emails?
I use greeting, purpose, details, and closing.
Do you check your email for grammar?
I run it through Grammarly before sending.
Have you received replies in English?
Yes, most of my contacts reply in English.
Does writing emails boost your confidence?
Definitely, it feels professional.
Do you set a weekly goal for new expressions?
Yes, I aim to learn 5 new idioms each week.
Which idiom did you learn recently?
Break the ice, to start a conversation.
How do you use break the ice in a sentence?
I say, I told a joke to break the ice.
Does using idioms make you sound more natural?
Yes, native speakers use them often.
Do you keep a notebook for idioms?
I have a digital note on my tablet.
How often do you add new idioms?
I add 3 each Saturday.
Do you review them during the week?
Yes, I glance at the list before bedtime.
Have you used an idiom in a real conversation?
Yes, I used break the ice with a new colleague.
How did the colleague react?
He laughed and the conversation flowed easily.
Do you think practicing idioms will help you reach B2?
Yes, they are part of the exam's language range.
What other skills will you focus on before the exam?
Listening, speaking, and timed writing tasks.
How do you practice timed writing?
I set a 40-minute timer and write an essay.
What topics do you choose for essays?
I pick common themes like education or technology.
Do you review your essays afterwards?
Yes, I check for structure and vocabulary use.
Who checks your essays?
My tutor reads them and gives comments.
What's the most common comment you receive?
Link your ideas more clearly.
How will you improve linking ideas?
I will use transition words like however and therefore.
Do you practice using those transition words?
Yes, I insert them in my practice essays.
Do you feel more prepared for the writing part now?
Yes, my confidence has increased.
What will you do the day before the exam?
I will review notes and relax with a light walk.
How will you manage exam stress?
I will breathe deeply and keep a positive mindset.
Do you plan to celebrate after the exam?
Yes, I will watch a favorite movie with friends.
Which movie would you choose?
I would choose The King's Speech.
Why that film?
It's about overcoming language challenges.
Do you think the film will motivate you?
Absolutely, it will inspire me to keep learning.
Thanks for watching.